Okay, so I've got the beautiful Pomp and Splendour collection here. I'm just going to do a quick demo. So I'm going to do some matting and layering. Very sticky tape. Make sure I've got my card the right way. I've got another layer on foam. Make sure that's straight. Got a nice background pattern. So we're creating a scene. This is a fantastic collection to create scenes with. It's really beautiful collection. Very reminiscent of the stately homes that are that way around. It must be. There we go. Now I've got Maud and Jonathan, who are two of the characters. So this is all about stately homes and grandeur and old-time elegance. So kind of like Downton Abbey type images in this. So I've got another die, and this is a beautiful urn with some florals. And this is from the Palisade die. So on the die you'll see that we've got this lovely long strip, and I've cut a small piece. Just get the sticky tape off the back. Pop that in there. And that's the card finished.